Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda and we are back with another video. I know I'm looking crusty, but that's not why we're here today, so that's fine. As you can see, I'm in my bathroom, so I'm about to film how I clean my makeup brushes. But before we get into this video, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so each time I upload a video you get notified, and let's get right on to the video. So I'm in my bathroom and I have a lot of dirty brushes and dirty blenders that I need to wash. So I'm going to be taking you along with me. Please guys, make sure you are washing your brushes, your makeup brushes and your beauty blender frequently, because you don't know why you might be having acne. That might be a reason, maybe because of transfer of bacteria, for leaving your brushes for a very long time back onto your face over and over and over again. So please wash your makeup brushes and your beauty blender. Is very, very important. I'm going to stop rambling right now and, get straight into it. So to start cleaning my brushes, I usually like to use this brush cleaner. I got this off of Amazon, and every single thing I use, I'm going to be linking it in the description box below. And then sometimes I like to go in with either my face wash or my hair shampoo. I usually like to use my face wash because that way I know it's gentle for the skin, and whatever it is I'm using on my clients' faces is going to, it's not going to be too harsh. But then again, sometimes I also use my hair shampoo. So for today, I'm going to be using my hair shampoo right here. This is the hair shampoo I'm going to be using. And then I'm going to just put on my water. This is cold water, right? So put it on, put a few pumps on that part right there. I'm going to get my brush right here, dab, dab, dab a little bit, dip it in water, and then start swirling. Dab, 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 and then start swirling. Oops, stuff is suction. When it starts leaving like a little bit of foam right now, I know that most of the makeup is off, so I just squeeze it and then I keep it aside. So I'm going to repeat the whole process for the rest of the brushes. I have a ton of brushes right here, so I'm just going to repeat the same process and let you watch. I know it does not look perfect like brand new, but I need you guys to note that I have used these beauty blenders for about 3 years now, if not more. So they are bound to like get permanent stains and all that, but this way, if I keep washing them frequently, I know that I'm not transferring germs on my clients. And then sometimes when I buy brand new beauty blenders, my clients decide to pay for them when I use them on their face, so and then they take that one and leave. Now, these ones are the ones I've had and I've been using them on my own skin. And that is the reason why they are looking like this. And to be honest, I don't plan on buying any new one anytime soon because they're still serving me perfectly fine. So yeah, my beauty blenders are clean and I'm going to end it right here. For my next step, I'm going to be using this device to dry my brushes. It's usually advisable for you to leave them to air dry and then make sure they are upside down. There are some equipment where you can just position your brushes upside down like this so they can dry that way, so that the water don't enter inside the handle and probably start spoiling it. But majority of the time, I personally do not have the time and the patience to wait for all my brushes to dry, because most times I wash my brush before each makeup session I do for my clients. So this way I'm ensuring that they dry and water is not affecting like the handle of my brushes. That way my brushes will last longer. So I got this from Amazon as well. I'm going to be linking everything in the description box. So this is what it looks like. Each of this rubber wood is supposed to hold different sizes of brushes. So you're supposed to attach this part inside here, and then if you put it on, it just starts to rotate and vibrate. But then you get, for example, this rubber, and then you check which one would fit into it properly. So as you can see, this one is nice and tight, and then you put it inside this way, turn it upside down. I'm going to move you guys so you guys can see what I'm doing properly. And then you want to put it inside so it doesn't splash water everywhere. Then you put it on and it starts to spin as fast as possible while draining off the water. You need to do this for at least 30 seconds for each brush to ensure that most of the water is out. It's not going to be completely dry like you used a dryer to dry every single drop of water, but there will be very, very, very little water. Like it will be like damp. So then stop, and there you have it. This is what the brush is looking at right now. So I'm going to go ahead and do this for all my brushes. So now we are done with our makeup, washing our makeup brushes. This is what they look like. I've washed them, I've dried all of them. They are not 100% dry, but I would say they are like 70% dry. So now I just usually leave them out here to air dry, and then yeah, that's it. Now, before you tune out, don't forget to wash your makeup bags or brushes as well. So I'm going to quickly show you that, because it's important to wash your makeup brushes, but you don't want to take the clean makeup brushes and then put them in a dirty makeup bag, purse, pouch, whatever. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how I clean this pouch. Now I usually go in with 2 items. I like to use this. It's a disinfectant wipe. Please use this at your own discretion, because I wouldn't say that it's completely safe for the skin, but I will tell you why I use this. So this kills bacteria, 99.9% bacteria. So I usually go in with this first to clean the dirt and disinfect it. Then I would go in with a face wipe and clean it again to make sure that I'm removing every single disinfectant that I used in cleaning the bag. And then I air dry it, and then I'm sure that every other thing evaporates. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you that in a minute. So I get my Clorox wipe. This is the Clorox wipe right here. And then I just start cleaning. I find that this is most effective when it's coming to removing all the stains, and that way I'm also disinfecting the pouch as well. But I know it could be harsh on the skin as well. That is the reason why I go in with another wipe. You see that? See how dirty it is. Like that. Next step is I get my micellar water, and then I put this on a paper towel. So this is like a three-step cleaning method. So this, and then I just start wiping again. Trying to make sure that I take off every single disinfectant that I used in the beginning while cleaning it. So this is what this looks like. Now this is baby wipes. Discovered that I ran out of facial wipes, so I use baby wipes as well. I usually go for baby wipes because you use them on kids' butts, so it's most likely going to be safe as possible to use it on your face as well. So I've already used the micellar water to clean it up, which removed most of the Clorox wipe, and then this is just an extra step. So I'll go in again. Yeah, so you see, most of the dirt is gone. That's what the wipe is looking at. And yeah, there you have it. My makeup bag clean, my makeup brushes clean, and we are all good and set to go. I was saying thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and please subscribe. Share my videos, people. I need you to share my videos so that you can invite more people, your friends and your contacts, to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I hope this video helped you out. Like I said before, please use the Clorox wipe at your own discretion. Okay, that's what I do to make sure that all the bacteria is out, and then I go in with my cellar water or a facial wipe or a baby wipe to make sure that all the disinfectant is gone. It's really important to clean your makeup brushes and your makeup bags in order to have a glowing skin like mine. I know that my skin is not 100%, but I'm trying to keep it, you know, good and clean. Anyway, enough rambling, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please binge watch on other videos that are going to be linked right here, and thank you. Bye.